will be. And you can get used to this because I've been doing this for, years and years and years. My session with coconut oil, I'm a big believer of coconut oil. Okay? Um, in fact, I can't live without coconut oil. It's one of my medicine for preventing and treating my being diabetic. It's in my blood. Okay? The diabetic issue. And why is that? Because maybe for some reason my mother had also diabetes, and her parent, um, my lolo. Ayun. I don't know how they got it, but you know what I do now? Now that I also have the symptoms, or I get the symptoms, I just maintain um, this supplement. I call this supplement, a vitamin. Yun. Okay, let me read it to you. It has Lurine in it. Okay, and the Lurine um, is the very essence of the coconut oil, and distilled to its purest form of medium chain triglycerides. It's a light flavor free oil, so they made it already flavor free. Yan. That stays naturally liquid, making it suitable as a food supplement. Yan. So it's a food supplement. I use it for preventing stroke, heart attack, aneurysm. Ayun. If I want to eat a lot of food, I have to have I also call it Leo, Tonokok. Yeah, because it's hard to show this item here online. Okay. Um, in fact, we are not allowed. Yeah, and as much as possible, do not show any product, even water, any brand of water, that we want to drink online, or we want to drink while we are online. What else? I also recommend this for the children. So we have to give this to our children, because nowadays we always see videos of the doctors, researchers, moms, right? Health